Welcome to a Daily Fix Guide, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your phone as a live webcam for your PC. So it works, of course, if you have an Android or iPhone, it doesn't matter. So the first thing that you can do is install DroidCam on your phone. You can go, as example, to your iPhone or Android and go to your store, and all you need to do, just go and install. So go to search and type DroidCam. So do so, and here we are. I'm just going to click on Get, and I'll wait for it until it's installed. So, of course, you will have to go and install DroidCam client on your PC as well. So just go to my PC and click on this, and all I need to do is just look for DroidCam. Of course, I'm just going to add a download here for PC so I get the exact link right away. So right now, I'll be taken here, and all I need to do is to find installed on your computer. Here we are, Windows setup. I'm just going to click on that to get it. So the .exe file, just go and click on it to download, and on my phone, it is already like done. So let's just go here and download it. It should not take a lot of time. And basically, after we download it in both devices, we'll have to go and connect this in both. So we just go here and install this because in phone it's already done. I'm just going to click on yes, next, I agree, install, and wait for that. So on my phone, if I go and open the DroidCam, I'll have to go and click on continue, click on OK, and make sure to allow it to access your camera, your microphone, why not? And sure, okay, no need. And in the meanwhile, let me just go and check what's happening in here. Okay, it's finished. Let me just go and click on finish. So now, as an example, okay, here we are. We have the clients ready. Let me just go and open the application up. So right now, make sure first of all that you are connected to the same device or to the same Wi-Fi, especially if you want it to be wireless. So make sure your phone and your PC are both on the same Wi-Fi network. Now just go back to your PC client and do one click. So the application on my phone seems not working. Let me just go and refresh it once. And yeah, now it seems to work. Let me just go and refresh the device list. And normally it should appear right now. So as you can see, here we are. Here's our Wi-Fi. I'm just going to click on that. And it should start working in a second. So as an example, as you can see, this is the camera of my phone. And at the moment, it's working as a webcam for my PC. I can always, of course, it's like OBS. I can just go and make it like maybe smaller or something like that. There's even, as you saw here before, an OBS plugin. If you know how to use OBS plugins, it's even better. Maybe if you're trying to stream or something like that, you can go and do so. So as an example, let me just go and get this back, as you can see, to full screen. And here we are. So this is the screen that I'm showing you right now. Let me just go and turn this in this way so you can see it properly. So here we are. This is our screen. As you can see, you'll find here a small like watermark, but it doesn't matter. So if you find something that's are not comfortable, something like that, you can go and stop and access settings to edit the settings out. You'll be able to increase the FPS and a lot of other things to do. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.